Yeah, so my country people, I throw a salute. Arsenal 1 and Manchester City 0. And we get Oga Gospel Webi Ogbonge Arsenal fan, Ogbonge person make tell us about how we see this game. Oga Gospel, going into this game, many people, sorry, Oga Stanley, am I getting the name right? Oga Stanley, going into this game, many people they expect today Arsenal will collect with for Man City. But Arsenal can shock them. What till you get to take country people on how you see this game?
Man, at the time, when I first see the lineup, when I could see our star boy Saka,
So you know
I see sure. How fast I want to do this one?
Mm.
Even when if he did say we dey collect woto.
collect.
But now the star boy not there. I won't do the game. But when the match go start, when I could see the way Arsenal take get confident with the match, and they attack Man City they attack Arsenal, and Arsenal they get most of the possession. I say, this match, na draw. So when the victory call burst out, man, if you hear my voice double crack.
Don't lose your voice.
I know people just express myself. You know, it's a very good game for Arsenal.
Good
You
game for
know,
Arsenal.
it's a boost for us. As in, it make us know say at least we see be there among the title contenders. I know say that top, you get as it dey hot. So you need to win big matches like this for you to actually achieve that top. So a very nice game. I'm very proud of my team, Arsenal.
So which player that you go point? We don't say all the Arsenal players try. We see a player like Jorginho will be like say no to the start this season, but he come in, he still do his own quarter. Every player for Arsenal try today. But which player you go point say okay, and this guy try pass and be your man of the match? Who be your man of the match for today performance?
Declan Rice. If you see what Declan Rice, the guy won most tackles for the midfield, and he frustrates the the Man City midfield. So just they win good tackles and they give good passes. So for me, all of them play, they try, but for them to hold that midfield very well, I will give the man of the match to Declan Rice.
Declan Rice.
Declan Rice, yes.
So what do you get to talk about Declan Rice now? When Arsenal sign out with that money, many people they shout say this money too much for a player like Declan Rice. But we don't see how him they help Arsenal midfield this season. If Thomas Partey now he missed the last couple of matches for Arsenal, but Arsenal see they win games, they win PSV, they win for the league, they draw some. But what do you think about this Declan Rice? You think say so far you like what you they see? Abi what that money when Arsenal spend?
See, when they first signed Declan Rice without money, at that moment when they criticize, say, man, these English people, they too they hype their players. You go sign player like Declan Rice for over £100 million, you understand? But so far, so good. Declan Rice don't prove he worth for Arsenal. Take it or leave it. Okay, say the money will take sign and high. But at least when they see the worth, it's a money well spent. So, and I believe say he go still do more. The more they do, the more they grow into the Arsenal team. So Declan Rice is a good buy. It's a money well spent. And I know say he go do well. More games for Arsenal.
So what do you get to talk about the tactical battle between the two coaches now? We know say normally Pep Guardiola, Mikel Arteta learn work for Pep and Pep be Oga. But how you see this battle between Oga and Mboy for this game?
I go look and say Arteta now better apprentice. As in he go when learn work finish and now they apply him. And now see now he don't come win the Oga now for my. That's to tell you say the guy he really learn work well. I know he still develop, but so far so good. He learn work well. So I go say that tactical he learn am from Guardiola and he utilize am for the EPL because it's not easy. The level EPL dey now, it's not easy to dey this level where we say Arsenal dey. You understand? Look at Liverpool, look at Chelsea, see what they do for the season, for the league table. But you see, when the season is so competitive, Arteta see they deliver. All the workings they work well. So I will not say it shows say the guy learn work well.
So how confident you do for the title race this season?
I get confidence, but I don't say it go too early for me to just say Arsenal will win them. But
which teams do they think say go follow? Because we don't say bad as it bad, even though say Man City lose to Arsenal today, we still know say that Man City be the team, the champions. So which teams you believe say go follow Man City drag am to win that title by the end of the season?
And Liverpool now one team where they one side. Tottenham Hotspur this season 2, they one side. Newcastle, don't forget, they one side. Plus Arsenal. You understand? You can see that it not be like that normal horse race. If you say that 2 horse race or 3 horse race. So now dual horse race. And you get my mind, dual horse race. So this season a very competitive season. This team I just make mention of Newcastle, Liverpool, Tottenham Hotspur, and Arsenal. I think they are very they will try for this season. So they'll give Man City a big fight. A big fight. It's not gonna be roller coaster for Man City.
Yeah. So what do you get to tell your manager? One word for your manager before I let you go, Augustin.
Yes, I will just tell Arteta make he continue with the good work where they do. Make he try improve on what he does on ground. Make he try improve in himself. I don't say the guy they do well, but as they do well, you need to build on the platform we said that already. So my advice to Arteta is say he's doing good job. Let him continue with the good job.
All right, now, August Stanley, thank you for your